Okay, this is the Porst camera that I'm selling. And it comes with this, I think it's the light meter. Let me show you. Yeah, it comes with this light meter. I don't know if it works, but it takes a battery. Let me see. It looks like a PX625, but you know, we need to verify this later. Is it tight? Let me check. Okay, so let's put this back. It's called a Porst Junior. Interesting. Okay. So this is the front part of the camera. I think it comes with a filter. Yeah, there's a filter that comes with it. Front part, top, side, and the other side, back, down, and up. Okay, so let me take out the lens to show you. This is a M42 lens. So this is a f2.8 lens. So this is 35mm f2.8 lens. Interesting. These are optical conditions. Let me take out the filter to show you. The back. Okay, so the problem with this camera is that day when I was testing it, I'm not sure what happened, but it jammed. So now the mirror is stuck up here. I'm not sure how to free it down. I also feel scared to do anything. But yeah, so there you go. This is how it is. The light meter, let's see. The light meter works. You can see, like, see it works. So it moves. It's a Selenium light meter. But yeah, so nothing much to show you from here because I'm really sorry, this one is jammed, so I'm gonna sell it as it is, as cheap a price as I can. Let me show you the back part. So this is a film compartment. So yeah, there you go, you can see. Yeah, any question you can ask me. Thanks.